Hello everyone, today I will introduce some basic operations of trajectory roaming under Display Module for you as a whole. First, click on the Display Module in the menu bar of the Display and Recording group under the Trajectory Roaming to activate the function. The Trajectory Selection interface pops up, which supports a variety of formats of the trajectory file import. The general default choice of the solve.traj format can be. According to the trajectory file, select the trajectory points to be loaded and the columns corresponding to the XYZ coordinates respectively, and click Apply. After the trajectory is loaded, the software roams according to the loaded trajectory points, and the roaming viewpoint is the vehicle traveling viewpoint. Click the trajectory roaming button again to end the track roaming operation. This video for trajectory roaming is explained here. Thank you for watching.